Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to create Equalizer preset on your headphones LG Tone Free Fit. You have to start by open the application and now scroll down a bit, just a bit. Right here we have Equalizer and just click on Custom 1 or Custom 2. Now make the best one for you here. But firstly you should click edit and now make it good for you. So let's say I wanna something like this, and after you finish click save. Now we have this preset, but we can also edit, so click edit here, and what we can do, we can reset it. So if you don't like what you made, just click reset. And as you can see, it reset to default settings. Also, it's the same for the custom 2. So you can make the custom 1 and then go to custom 2 and make again, click edit, and now make something good for you. And then you can swap between these two presets. But don't forget to click save after you finish. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!